Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding very important topics for the preparation of entrance exam for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA. Here name of the topic is microorganisms. So in this video, information regarding microorganisms will be given, and this video is very useful for various university and institutes. Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, CUT PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Pondicherry, Christian Medical College Vellore, Indian Institute of Public Health IIPH, NIMHANS Bangalore, Lucknow University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA, and other competitive exams, and students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration, and other entrance exams, MSc Botany, MSc Biology, MSc Microbiology, MSc Biochemistry, and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. So for online or offline coaching and important questions PDF notes, WhatsApp number is 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So here name of the topic is microorganisms. So information regarding microorganisms will be given in this video. Organisms that cannot be seen with the unaided eyes are called microorganisms or microbes. So organisms which we cannot be seen, which with the unaided eyes, these are called microorganisms or microbes. These microorganisms are as small as 10 to the power minus 6 nm in size. So size of the microorganism is 10 to the power minus 6 nm. So here the microorganisms are as small as 10 to the power minus 6 nm, that is nanometer in size. So this is very important information. The size of microorganism are as small as 10 to the power minus 6 nanometer. Some of these, such as fungus on bread, can be seen with magnifying glass. So we can see fungus on bread with magnifying glass, while others need a microscope for their observation. So for observing microorganism, we need a microscope. The study of microorganism is called microbiology. So study of microorganism is called microbiology, and Anton van Leeuwenhoek is regarded as the father of microbiology. So this question comes many times in entrance exam. Who is the father of microbiology? So Anton von Leeuwenhoek is regarded as the father of microbiology. Anton von Leeuwenhoek is the father of microbiology. Major group of microorganisms. So here information regarding major groups of microorganisms. Microorganisms may be unicellular, single-celled, or multicellular, many-celled. These are classified into major groups as described below. So major groups of microorganisms are microorganisms may be unicellular, which are known as single-celled, or multicellular, known as many-celled. These are classified into major groups as described below. Bacteria. These are simplest unicellular organisms having rigid cell wall like plant cells. So bacteria are simplest unicellular organisms having rigid cell wall like plant cell. Based on their shapes, bacteria are of 4 types. So bacteria are of 4 types, that is bacillus, rod shaped, coccus, spherical shaped, Spirillum spiral shaped, and Vibrio comma shaped, Example Gracia, Lactobacillus rhizobium. So based on the size, bacteria are of 4 types, that is Bacillus, rod shaped, Coccus, spherical shaped, Spirillum, spiral shaped, and Vibrio, comma shaped. Example here examples are given: Lactobacillus rhizobium, fungi. So information regarding fungi: it is a large group of organisms. Fungi is a large group of organisms which do not have chlorophyll and do not perform photosynthesis. Thus, there are heterotrophs. Example Gracia, yeast, Penicillium, Aspergillus, and Rhizopus, bread mold. Fungi may be unicellular or multicellular. Next is Protozoa. It is a group of single-celled microorganisms that have animal-like characteristics. They can move from place to place. Example Gracia, amoeba and paramecium. Next is algae. It is a large group of simple plant-like organisms, but they have no roots, stems, or leaves. They can be unicellular or multicellular. They are photoautotrophs. Example Gracia, Calmidomonas and Spirogyra. Next topic is viruses. These are also microscopic organisms which reproduce only inside the cells of the host organisms. Microbes in household products. Some of the household products obtained from microbial activities are: first, curd. The bacterium Lactobacillus multiplies in milk and converts it into curd. Second, dough for making foods. Yeast is used in the baking industry for making breads, pastries, and cakes. It reproduces rapidly and produces carbon dioxide during respiration. Third, cheese. The production of cheese starts by curdling of milk. The quality and characteristics of cheese are determined by activities of specific microorganisms. Commercial use of microorganisms. Microorganisms are used for the large-scale production of alcohols, wine, and acetic acid. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called fermentation. So the process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. It was discovered by Louis Pasteur in 1857. Yeast is also used for commercial production of alcohol and wine. The sugar for making alcohol comes from grains like barley, wheat, rice, crushed fruit, juices, etc. Medicinal use of microorganisms. The source of antibiotic medicines and vaccines are microorganisms. The details of antibiotic medicines and vaccines are given below. Antibiotics. The medicines which are used to kill or stop the growth of the disease causing microorganisms are known as antibiotics. Example Gracia, penicillin, streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin. These are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms and are used to cure a variety of diseases. Antibiotics are even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check microbial. Infection in animals. They are also used to control many plant diseases. Penicillin is the first antibiotic which was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929. So penicillin is the first antibiotic which was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929. Vaccine. A vaccine consists of dead or weakened microbes which when introduced in a healthy body produce suitable antibodies to fight and kill themselves. These antibodies remain in the body to protect from disease causing microbes, thus develop immunity. Important vaccines for infants and children. So here information regarding important vaccines for infants and children. Vaccine disease age group. So first is DPT HIV. This is diphtheria, tetanus, pertussis. age group to all infants of 1.5, 2.5, 2 months of age. Next vaccine is hepatitis B, disease hepatitis, serum hepatitis, age group all infant, children and even adults. Next vaccine is polio, disease poliomyelitis, age group all infants up to 5 years of age, minimum of 3 doses at 1 month intervals. Next vaccine is BCG, disease is tuberculosis, age group is all children between 10 to 14 years. Edward Jenner discovered the smallpox vaccine in 1798. A worldwide campaign against smallpox has finally led to its eradication from most part of the world. Pulse polio immunization program was launched in India in 1995 for eradication of polio. Children in the age group of 1 month to 5 years are administered polio drops, actually vaccine every year. Disease causing microorganisms in humans. Some of the microorganisms cause diseases in human beings. Such disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. There are various ways given below through which they can enter our body. Common human diseases. Human disease, causative microorganism, mode of transmission, preventive measure, general. So disease, common human disease. First disease is tuberculosis. Causative microorganism is bacteria. Mode of transmission is air. Preventive measure, general. Keep the patient in complete isolation. Second disease here given is measles. Causative microorganisms is virus. Mode of transmission is air. Preventive measure is keep the personal belonging of the patient away from those of the healthy persons. Next disease given is chickenpox. Causative microorganism is virus. Mode of transmission is air contact. Preventive measure is vaccination to be given at suitable age. Next disease is polio. Causative microorganism is virus. Mode of transmission is air or water. Preventive measure vaccination. Next human disease is cholera. Causative microorganism is bacteria. Mode of transmission water, food. Preventive measure consume properly cooked food and boiled drinking water. Next human disease is typhoid. Causative microorganism is bacteria. Mode of transmission is water. And preventive measure maintain personal hygiene and good sanitary habits. Next here disease given human disease hepatitis B. Causative microorganism is virus. Mode of transmission is water. Preventive measure drink boiled water, vaccination. Next human disease is malaria. And causative microorganism is protozoa. Mode of transmission mosquito. And preventive measure use mosquito net and repellents. Spray insecticides and control breeding of mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings. Some of the example animal disease are given in table below. Common animal disease caused by microorganism. Animal disease, microorganisms, animal affected. So first animal disease is anthrax, microorganism, bacteria, Bacillus anthracis, discovered by Robert Koch, 1876, animal affected cattle. So next animal disease is foot and mouth disease. Microorganism is virus, animal affected cattle. Next animal disease is swine flu. Microorganism is virus, animal affected pigs. Next animal disease is bird flu. Microorganism is virus, animal affected birds. Next disease causing microorganism in plants. Several microorganisms cause diseases in plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, etc. These diseases reduce the yield of crops. These can be controlled by the use of certain chemicals which kill the microbes. Some of the examples are tabulated below. So common plant disease caused by microorganism. Plant disease, microorganism, mode of transmission. So first plant disease is citrus canker. Microorganism is bacteria. Mode of transmission, rainwater splashes. Second plant disease is rust of wheat. Microorganism is fungi. Mode of transmission, air seeds. Third plant disease is yellow vein mosaic of bhindi, okra. Microorganism is virus. Mode of transmission, insect, mechanical injury. Food poisoning, it occurs due to consumption of food spoiled by some microorganisms. Microorganisms that grow on our body may produce toxic substances. These substances make the food poisonous, causing serious illness and even death. The food starts giving foul smell, bad taste, and color may also change. This spoiling of food is a chemical change. Such a food, if eaten, can lead to food poisoning. Its symptoms include vomiting, diarrhea, headache, fever, etc. It is caused by bacteria like Salmonella, Clostridium, fungus like Aspergillus, etc. So in this video, important topics regarding microorganism has been given, and in the next video I will give you multiple choice questions of microorganisms. So in the next video the multiple choice questions for microorganism will be given. So in this video information regarding chapter microorganism has been given, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams for various university and institutes like ICMR Bhubaneswar, Common University Entrance Test, UTPG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, JIPMER Pondicherry, Christian Medical College Vellore, Indian Institute of Public Health, Nimhans Bangalore, Lucknow University, Savitribai Phule Pune University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA, biochemistry, microbiology and other competitive exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.